Welcome to Tutorial Solve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix the Discord error where you can't link your phone number to your account.
Fix 1. Make sure your phone number isn't linked to another account. Step 1. Open Discord and log in. Step 2. Try adding your phone number. Step 3. If it says number already used, it means it's linked to another account. Step 4. Log into your old/second account. Remove the phone number. Step 5. Go back to your main account and add the number again. Fix 2. Enter the phone number in correct format. Step 1. Select the correct country code, +91 for India, +1 for USA, etc. Step 2. Type your mobile number without spaces or special characters. Step 3. Tap Send Code and enter the OTP. Fix 3. Check if SMS blocking is on. Step 1. Open your phone's messages settings. Step 2. Turn off any spam/blocked filters. Step 3. Disable DND mode if enabled. Step 4. Try sending the verification code again. Fix 4. Restart and try a different network. Step 1. Restart your phone. Step 2. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. Step 3. Try linking the phone number again on Discord. Fix 5. Clear Discord app cache. Android. Step 1. Go to Settings, Apps, Discord. Step 2. Tap Storage, tap Clear Cache. Step 3. Restart the app.